I took a break from trading, and this is why. I literally had my best month ever so far, and I'm gonna take a break because in the past I've had like 2 months in a row insane results before, and the same thing always happened afterwards. Everything I built back then, also everything I built disappeared once again, and I lost even more. I lost track of my data and I blow up all the accounts I got. Even though in the past I got 20k funded in a very small amount of time, and ever since I've been struggling for long. And this is probably already like more than 1.5 years ago, but the same thing happened again, and I hit an insane amount of return, just on challenges, and got funded and blow it up again. This time I got 10k funded, and I have a lot of other challenges running, and most of them are in profit now. And I hit a 17% profit last month, just out of data. And most of my challenges are in profit. I had my first free payouts. I had my first, in total, $500 in return. And always when it goes good, that could also be the most dangerous period. Because after this, it's very possible that you get overconfident. You haven't learned your lessons yet. You think you are undefeatable, and that's something I'm trying to prevent from. Because a losing streak will always be there in between, even though if it's maybe 5 losses, it could be 8. In my case, in the past, it was like 14 losers in a row, and I couldn't deal with it mentally. Right now, I'm not only focusing on trading, I'm focusing on it, of course. I do my discipline daily tasks. I keep doing them. I keep building my life around trading, even though I have one of the most stressful days and weeks ever. There's so many things happening on the background, so many things I'm trying to achieve at the same time. And one thing is what is really keeping my mind clear is my workouts, is my stretching routines. Without them, I don't have a solid foundation. I don't have a good discipline level. Without that, I will blow my challenges. I will blow much more of my money. And well, unlikely of most people with trading, they probably blow even more money than I have done already. I blow around like $4,000 in total with challenges, maybe. That's my last statistics. A little bit less at this moment because I had my return already. So maybe we can get this year to break even, because I also don't take that big risk. But I also trying to get it on a mental level. I would be able to take my losses at. And that doesn't, for me, I'm at a point, for me, buying a 20k or like a 100k challenge doesn't make sense for me mentally, because first I want to achieve the first level, like being comfortable with getting payouts, being comfortable with having more consistent payouts, and with that money I want to scale up, not the other way around. I'm not going to scale up first my challenges with 20 to 100k. Of course, the reward will be big, but the mental pressure will be even bigger. And of course, I really need the money. For me, that would be like a saving. But that's, for me, not the focus. I don't want to focus on getting money, needing that money. I have my job aside. I am really, really busy. I work 8 to sometimes 11 hours a day. I still do my workouts probably like 2 hours a day. I do my running. I have a lot of pain during my work in my feet. There's something wrong with my soles, but the one thing that matters is showing up, finding your purpose. Why do you do it? For who are you doing it? Of course, for yourself, but of course, I want to build a life together with my fiance, and that's one of the main reasons. And I really know I cannot do it myself. I need the support from my fiance, who is believing in me very much, and I'm very happy about that. And of course, I had severe loss in my life. I do it for my mother, who is not there anymore. This was really something I would have given to her, um, life free of stress, and unfortunately, I cannot give it. But knowing that I still can achieve it and it would make her proud eventually is one of my biggest fire inside me. And it will also keep me calm. And even during these stressful times when I'm trying to build a life, it is very, very important that I keep focusing on building my life. The trading is just a side. Of course, I want it to be profitable. I want to hit high levels, but from now on, I'm just building. And in the building phase, I also should focus on building my life. I should focus on building discipline, real discipline, and that's very, very important. Um, it remembers me actually from a Bible story because I raised as a Christian, and in that Bible story, it's like a wise man and an unwise man. And the wise man was building his house on a rock solid foundation. And you can think about when the rain pours down, or in my life, the stress pours down, I have my solid foundation. The stress will come and come and come all the time, but I built my foundation on a rock. I built my discipline. So the unwise man just building on luck, and luck will not happen all the time. You will have your losses. So to cover those losses, you should have built a very nice foundation on the rock and not on sand, because on sand, everything will disappear. So I really hope you like this comparison. And yeah, I am moving forward. I took a step back last week. I didn't want to get overconfidence, and my funding account is in plus again. I could have asked for a payout, and I tried to trade once more, and now I cannot ask for a payout. It was tiny money anyway, but we had to recover mentally. We want to get rid of that dopamine, so we do our workouts, we do our stretching, we do our running, even though we have an insane amount of pain lately in our feet, but we keep showing up, we keep working, and yeah, I will be. I'm very blessed also that my fiance will be back in 1 week, who was away for 3 months, and for me that is very, very big. Yeah, very big thing that she will come back. It gives me way more peace, and from that peace, even though last month was stressful, but also the most profitable. So it means that I should be busy in life and let trading do its thing. Let the chart do its thing. Don't go in the charts too much. Focus on every minor move, what could happen. That's simply not trading, that's gambling. And yeah. Okay, this is the thing I wanted to talk about today, and I hope you like it. And if you reach it to that point, don't forget to subscribe and like the video or comment down below. And maybe I will see you in the next video. I will try to post on a weekly or daily base. I will probably post some more analytics, and yeah, who knows where this will turn out in maybe a few months. And if you're then still with me on this journey, thank you very much, and I would love to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.